Hey everyone, I'm gonna paint a maned wolf today. Just a sketchy painting real quick. I'm gonna start out with some triangular shapes for the ears using a darker orange on the red side. Just filling those shapes in. I'm looking at a reference as always. I'm gonna fill in the cheeks and the nose. Now we're going to take a lighter, brighter orange and add some lighter areas onto the face where the light would hit it. Just big broad paint strokes. Don't be too neat. Add some highlight on the nose. And we're gonna fill in that darker orange again where the eyes would be, just to mark where they'll go for later. Now I'm just adding some light beige for the highlights of the lighter areas of the fur, and a coral color for the lighter fur on the neck, just for the shadow. Now we're going to line in the nose. A dark brown, as well as the eyes with the same color. Just blend some details in. I'm fixing the colors on the nose here because I wasn't very happy with them. Blending back and forth the colors just to make them mesh a little bit better. Filling it in, adding some lighter on the eyes and a little bit of dark around the nose. I'm taking that same color and lining in the mouth now, and adding a little bit of shadow under there just to define it, and adding a little bit of that lighter color in around the eyes as well. Now darkening some lines and some of the fur markings around the eyes and on the cheeks. Now I'm just going to finish up the ears here. I'm going to fill in darker and then go over with lighter fur color just to fill in those little tufts of fur in the ears. Blending it all together now. Adding some more fur to the back and the little bit of black fur on the neck and the back as well. And now I'm just going to detail in the rest of the eyes. Not too much. Just a little bit of reflection. Now just finishing up the nose shine, giving it some lines and definition, and just some of the fur markings around the cheeks here, that darker color, and a little bit of shading on the forehead just to add some fur definition. Sampling all the colors around for reference. Just adding some final little finishing highlights and details and adding in the whiskers here. Whiskers can be kind of annoying. I usually have to do them quite a few times before I'm happy with them. Eventually you'll get them. Thank God for digital art. And I would say that that is about done. Just a quick painting here today. I just like to do these little paintings just for fun and some practice. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more in the future. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks.